How to render video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the Deliver page located at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the export settings are controlled. Next, choose your render destination by selecting the folder where you want your video file to be saved. You can do this by clicking on the Browse button under the location setting. Then, pick a preset or customize your output settings. For beginners, the YouTube or Final Cut Pro presets are great because they automatically set the resolution, codec, and quality. After that, check the file name to make sure it's something easy to recognize. This helps avoid confusion when you have multiple exports. First of all, pay close attention to the format and codec options. Commonly used formats are MP4 with the H.264 codec, which balances quality and file size well. Next, decide if you want to export the entire timeline or just a part of it by adjusting the render range to either entire timeline or in or out range. Make sure the resolution and frame rate match your project settings to avoid any playback issues after rendering. Finally, click on the Add to Render Queue button on the bottom left, then hit Render All in the Render Queue panel. Wait for the rendering process to complete. The time it takes depends on your video length and system power. And that's it. Now you know how to render video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.